Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Ravencoin Classic token. Now this token is listed on CoinGecko. Right now it's up 109.1% according to CoinGecko. You can also find it on CoinMarketCap. Ticker symbol is RVC. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we go over this, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token. So there's Ravencoin. Most people have heard of Ravencoin, and just like Ethereum, there's an Ethereum Classic, and now there is a Ravencoin Classic. So basically, it's on its own blockchain. Ravencoin Classic Explorer is available to view here on CoinGecko. They also have a Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, Discord, Medium. Official webpage is ravencoinclassic.io. Right now, it's up 137.5%. So this is listed on a few different exchanges that you can get it on right now, according to CoinGecko. There might be more. If I scroll through their Twitter, maybe they'll tell me some more listings. But it says here you can get this token off of gate.io, BitGlobal, or Bittrex. It's paired with USDT on all those exchanges. So that's where you can get this token. So why does their webpage says it's not working? Oh, that's cool. Just when I go to do a video, it says webpage not working. Awesome. Love it. Okay. Try clearing your cookies. Okay. Cool. All right. So anyways, if you go over to their Medium, if their webpage doesn't work for you as well, you can check out Medium articles on this token, and it'll show you. All right, so let's go to this one. Usually their first Medium article will explain about the token. So it says, a welcome letter to Ravencoin Classic community. Welcome to Ravencoin Classic. Today is the genesis of the Ravencoin Classic family. From now on, RBC will start a new blockchain journey together with you as a fork brother from Ravencoin. So this is a fork from the original Ravencoin. So you probably have heard of Ravencoin. That's what I said. So what's the Ravencoin Classic? Ravencoin started as a code fork of Bitcoin on the 9th anniversary of the Bitcoin blockchain in October 2019. Ravencoin forked as two chains. One used X16R algorithm as before, and another one updated its mining algorithm to X16R v2. The chain that sticks to the X16R algorithm is called Ravencoin Classic. Ravencoin Classic is a peer-to-peer blockchain handling the efficient creation and transfer of assets from one party to another. Tokens of the protocol can have whatever properties the token issuer of the token decides, so they can be limited in quantity, can be named and be issued as securities or as collectibles. You can issue your own security token within minutes and take advantage of borderless global transactions with fast transfer speed. So, RavencoinClassic.io, that's their webpage here. Let me try clicking on this one again, and it says this page is not working. For some reason, their webpage is down. Might be just my computer, but who knows? Anyways, all the info is on Medium as well. So RavencoinClassic.io is the global community of Ravencoin Classic dedicated to stability and growth of the Ravencoin Classic network. So Ravencoin Classic is driven by the Ravencoin Classic community, which is fully committed to the prosperity of the network. The community ensures the constant use of X16R algorithm, guaranteeing equal rights of each community member to participate in block production with increased user control and censorship resistance in assurance and governance of digital assets. So some of the highlights of Ravencoin Classic here, it says block reward 5,000 RBC for each block. It's got 1 minute block time, 21 billion total supply. It says the algorithm once selected is never changed. The most stable environment for assurance and governance of tokenized asset. Decentralized hash rate for better safety of the network. RBC believes in the principle that a public chain should have long-term consistency, so RBC will adhere to using the same original X16R algorithm as it always used since the creation of the blockchain. What will Ravencoin Classic do next? Well, we have made the website and social media accounts of Ravencoin Classic. The wallet and blockchain explorer is under development now. Once progress is made, we will announce it to the community. So on here, they have a web page, Twitter, Facebook, GitHub, Medium, Discord, Telegram, and it says, welcome to the Classic community. And yeah, that's basically what Ravencoin is in a nutshell. Now, if you can go over more Medium articles here, there's another one called RavencoinClassic.io will release V241 support, anti-replay. So let's just read briefly what that's about. It says, in order to improve Ravencoin Classic, they're going to have that anti-replay. And it says, after the hard fork in October 2019, Ravencoin chain forked as two chains with different algorithms. The chain using the original algorithm and then the new one, the Classic. In order to prevent the transactions of the RVN network from being broadcast to the RVC network and leading to the loss of RVC to the user, we decided to release the new version with anti-replay. So users' RVC can be protected. So that's just a little update they gave you there. And then they have, they're talking about how this will be listed on the Longbit exchange. So that's another exchange that you could buy this token off of, is something called Longbit. I mean, that's probably a lesser exchange compared to Gate and the other ones there. I've never even heard of Longbit. And then there's another article, Longbit AMA, where they do an Ask Me Anything on there. And so they launched an F2 pool as well. So you can check that out. How to install and use RVC wallet. That's on their Medium as well. You can check that out. They released a bounty program for the first time. So Bittrex, they're talking about how they're listed on Bittrex. And what else here? Bittrex Global, their trading pair. So it's also paired with Bitcoin on Bittrex, as well as USDT. And that's basically what Ravencoin is. Ravencoin Classic is a decentralized electronic system for creating a transferring asset that uses the X16R algorithm constantly. And so check all their socials there. Their Twitter has 1,498 followers. They probably should get some more followers since their Twitter has been around since 2019. Pretty crazy, but yeah. It's a peer-to-peer blockchain handling the efficient creation and transfer of assets from one party to another. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about Ravencoin Classic? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.